Hey, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. If you follow me on Twitter, you could have saw I was talking about this morning. I've been long since the bull market support band or the 382 Fibonacci level right here, and we got that nice bounce off of that with the four yellow X's on the 30 minute. When you have four yellow X's on one of these lower time frames of market cipher, more often than not, you will come up at least a little bit. Great place to do a scalp trade. I did a little scalp trade originally. I closed out 40% of the position, stop loss to entry point, right around there, and just letting it ride for now. Couldn't really trade over the weekend. I was at the Buccaneers game, so took a little break over the weekend. I missed the short entry. Oh well, can't win them all. So I mean, everyone's probably really afraid of this blood diamond on the daily and the 2 day. Well, I mean, on the bright side, we do have a day before it confirms. It may not confirm. We are getting, I mean, we'll talk about the lower time frames in a second, but they aren't looking half bad in terms of money flow coming back in. You'd still have money coming in here on the 2 day. It does look something more like back here, really, where money is coming in here. It doesn't look as bad as what we saw over here, at least in my opinion, because we do have money coming in. However, money could come out. It really depends, it's an interesting situation. We'll go out to the lower time frames. I mean, keep in mind, guys, to make money trading, you don't need to know exactly what's going to happen. You don't need to know what's going to happen. You just need a strategy that works, more than 50% of the time and good risk management, and you'll be profitable. So we don't need to know what's going to happen here. But what we could say is, VWAP coming down, we're still high in the money flow. Is it overheated? I mean, a tiny bit, but it's not as overheated as back here. This could potentially be it playing out. What's hard to decipher is where you're seeing a blood diamond here on the daily. It's probably going to get confirmed since we have 3 hours left. If it does get confirmed, I'd say more often than not, you would see it come down farther. However, I mean, what was this percentage back here when we got it? As soon as it was confirmed, we came down 12%. I mean, since when it appeared, we've come down about 10%. Could that be over? Yes. Could it be the beginning of a nightmare? Yeah. Yes, that could be possible too. That would be the bearish case. We go down farther. So that's the daily. I mean, bullish case, we would just continue even farther into the green here. 12 hour. So we got the VWAP coming down. It looks like we could be bottoming out. We do have, the divergence is kind of ending here. So let's draw this out. Momentum coming down, money flow coming down. And we come here and right to there. So we still have, maybe a slight divergence, but it seems like we're almost done with this divergence. It seems like we're almost done, and it's possible now that we're bottoming out here. VWAP is down. It seems like it's going to curve up soon. It's possible we could have bottomed out for a decent amount. 8 hour VWAP coming back up. Money flow is still in the green. However, it's coming down there just like the 12 hour, but it's not in the red yet. It's not in the red yet. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour VWAP is coming up, very powerful, especially a VWAP that's been below the zero line for a while, and then you have a green dot printing. This confirms in 3 hours. Will it get confirmed? Let's look at the lower time frames and see. I mean, 1 hour, yeah, you're bleeding there. It doesn't look too good. I mean, you did have a divergence there. You can make the argument that played out already, and then we could come back down. It does look to be a little oversold since we're so deep in the red there. 30 minute, what I talked about before, 4 yellow X's, bearish case, it's played out, and then we could come down farther. We lose this support, and keep in mind, guys, if we lose this support, all coins are coming down, all coins are crashing. As soon as we lose this support, I may take some profits in my, I don't have any altcoins to leverage. I just have some on spot right now, but I may take some additional profits, especially the stuff I bought like a few months back in July when we were first coming into the green on the daily. Nice little, you can make the argument that's almost a trigger wave. Maybe we'll have another, it'd be nice. We have another little trigger wave there, and then that's a great long signal, and we come back up on the 30 minute, 15 minute. We are, these two little trigger waves there, that didn't look awful. Seems to be curving around here. Maybe we come back up. Let's look at the 12 minute. So yeah, good curvature. I do like the curvature I'm seeing. Maybe we come down, we form some type of trigger wave, and then come back up. That's the bullish case. I mean, this line, this general area, I think this pocket right here is very important. I mean, if we come below this spider line, it's probably going to be, I don't know if it'll be a repeat of May, but we'll probably come, you know, a bit lower, especially with these blood diamonds. I mean, how far could these bring us down? I mean, let's be real. Well, 50%. How far would 50% bring us? I mean, it probably won't repeat exactly, but another 50%. 20K. So 20K, I mean, there's going to be a lot of resistance at 20K if that does happen. I don't think it will happen. I think more likely than not, it won't happen. My concern is a lot of people are talking about crypto. I know a lot of people are doing these weird longs where they're like 3x leverage and they keep dollar cost averaging into it. Everyone I know who tries to do stuff like that always loses everything. So guys, be careful if you're trying to do that. I think the liquidation point for that, I don't know what it would be, but it's obviously above 20K. If we go that low, you're done, I think. I don't think we'll go that low, but you know, we'll have to see what happens here. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum was interesting. We bounced off of a spider line, actually. Nice, yeah, nice spider line. It meant something. Bounced off of that spider line this morning. How does it? We'll do a quicker analysis here. We've confirmed, you know, the red blood diamond. I mean, if it plays out like that one, we'll come down farther. It's possible we hit the bottom. It's possible. We don't have a blood diamond here, just a red X, so not the worst thing. Money is coming out still, though, but go 12 hour, actually. Curving into the red here. VWAP is starting to curve up, indicative of sideways consolidation for a bit. Coming out here, that doesn't look too good. I mean, a little bit more sideways, leaning a little bearish, maybe, but we are hitting the spider line. I mean, you measure out here to here, keeps us bearish for a few more 4 more days. Where would that bring us? You know, I mean, this type of scenario, you'd probably come down to this spider line. Ew, that's quite a bit. Yeah, you'd probably come down more. You'd probably come down another 20% or more. Yeah, not the best scenario. 4 hour, I like the 4 hour. Green dot printing, we've been below. You know, this VWAP's been trying to come up for a while here. Finally, looks like it's coming up. Maybe we'll bounce off of 3,000 right here, psychological area. Maybe some people will buy it off at 3,000, just maybe. Here, you know, it looks to be getting a little bit oversold. So maybe we come back. That's what it's looking like to a certain extent. Same thing here. Sell exhaustion, retest, you know, maybe a double bottom here, and then we come back up. You know, maybe not the best time. Use good risk management if you're going to try to long here. You know, you won't lose much money at all. I mean, if you have good risk management and lower leverage, and then you put a stop loss below here, you know, 3.8%, you're not going to lose too much money if you have good risk management. And if we do come up a lot, you have potential to make a lot of money. So my Bitcoin long right now is completely risk-free since I set my stop loss to entry point and I'm just letting it ride. Completely risk-free. It's basically free money if it goes up. And if it goes down, I don't lose anything. I don't lose any of my Bitcoin. Those are those two. I was on Paul Barron Network this morning. Check out Paul Barron Network. Check out his channel. I was doing some analysis on Elron, FTX, and Polkadot. If you want to see those analyses, I'm not going to talk about any other altcoins just right now. That's how I'm navigating the market. Let's be cautious, guys. I'm in my long position. We'll see what happens with the 4 hour VWAP. We'll see what happens here. I hope we hold the line on Bitcoin. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. If we don't hold that line, we're probably going to come down quite a bit. But we'll see what happens here. Big psychological area, 3,000. I think we might hold it. All right, guys. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. If this seems really complicated for you, check out Jason Casper's trading course. That's a trading course I took when I first learned to trade. It's the best resource for learning how to use Market Cipher I know about there. If you guys know of any others, let me know. 17% off, discount code Evan Aldo. Market Cipher, discount code Aldo15, 15% off. If you want to help support the channel in any other way, create a new MEXC account. If you want to create a new BITGET account, want to get started on there, links in the description below. Everything I link out to are things I personally use and have benefited from. I'm never going to link you to anything I don't use or haven't benefited from. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.